News.
Labor Day weekend is upon us, and in spite of good weather, swimmers may be disappointed along the Chicago lakefront. High winds making the water potentially life-threatening. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jackie Bang.
And I'm Eric Wong in for Taman Bradley. WGN's Brona Tumulty joins us now from Montrose Beach with the latest. Hi, Brona.
Good evening, guys. Yeah, the end of the official beach season is almost upon us, and sadly, several of the beaches are closed to swimmers, including this one.
We came to visit family in Chicago, and we're like, oh, let's just come to the beach, have a good time. But then we didn't know it was going to be this windy.
True Chicagoans know we're not nicknamed the Windy City because of the weather. But with sand being whipped around Montrose Beach today, Mother Nature was top of mind.
It is a little windy. Check the weather, check local weather station, but I mean, you can't really beat it, especially in the city.
Alexander came with his buddies to play a little spike ball. Not ideal in these conditions, but everyone's making the most of it, considering summer is drawn to a close.
This is, in my opinion, the best beach in Chicago, so we love to come down here anytime we can.
Yeah.
Certainly some disappointment, though, for anyone hoping to take a dip.
I think our friends did, and then we quickly realized there's red flags everywhere, so it's probably not the best idea.
Swimming is off limits here, along with other beaches along the lake, like Foster, North Avenue and Loyola. Advisories have been issued in other areas, while the only Chicago beach right now to take a swim is at 12th Street. The National Weather Service has a warning in place through Monday evening about strong currents and potentially life-threatening waves due to the wind.
It has the potential to, be a very deadly Labor Day weekend.
Dave Benjamin's nonprofit provides water safety training and tracks drownings annually across the Great Lakes, telling us right now Lake Michigan is sadly above average, with a third of the year left to go.
The record in Lake Michigan is 56 drownings, and we're at 44 plus, 4 critical, so that could be 48 really quick. We could surpass the 56 record.
Now, if you want a better idea of where you can and can't swim right now, we'll have that information on our website under this story. Well, live at Montrose Beach, Brona Tumulty, WGN News.